Good morning. It's day 3 and all packed up, leaving Delamar, going to Cedar Wash. Getting ready to go up Cedar Wash Road. Then we'll switch to the North Fork of the Cedar Wash. It turns into Bishop Road, and theoretically we'll end up on Cane Springs Road. I'm going to stop here and poke my head into this abandoned mine shaft just because it's kind of cool. There it is. Don't know how far it goes back. Didn't bring my flashlight with me, but yeah, it's an old hole. But that's it. There's a view up the wash. The cattle infrastructure looks like some pens. It'd be nice if we could see some bighorn sheep, wild horses, something besides jackrabbits, which is really the only wildlife I see. Heard some coyotes this morning, next hill over. Just as I was getting up. I'm always a bit nervous about coyotes because I figured Zack here, I figured he's nothing but really coyote bait. So once the sun goes down, I chain them up, keep them within the area of the camp. Because they're wily, them coyotes. Were to go this route here, which is to the northwest, that would take me back to Helen, past Denton Peak, I think is what they call it. Let me check. Denton Summit. God, just wish I had more time, more gas. So, down to my last jerry can. Up that way is Blythe Springs and some old corral. It's kind of off my road, so I'm not sure I want to take the detour. Yeah, let's do it. It's labeled on the BLM map as corral, which there it is. There's an old corral here. Old steel water trough. There's Zack trying to figure out how to get out. What you doing, Zack? Why don't you go out the way I came in, huh? Come this way. Why don't you come this way? No, keep going. Keep going. There's the gate. There you go. We're in the forest. Things like shade, trees and stuff. Just because of these dead critter, it's either cow, could be deer, elk, I don't know. It's pretty large, so I don't think it's deer. When you look at this lake, that's huge. Got me interested here is these right here. I mean, this is kind of weird. This is basically crap, but scab. I believe that's coyote that's been eating some berries, and that's relatively fresh. So there's something been gnawing on these bones just recently. That's coyote for sure. Being not that I'm an expert in crap, but I have done a little research. on scat. So I was all bummed out because I'm not letting him out of the car anymore because he took off running into the woods. Just spotted some old corrals down below. I'm not sorry. I just spotted some old corrals down the way there. I'll take a couple of pictures. I don't know if we're going to get close to it or not. Herd of wild horses going up the hill there. I'm going to take some pictures of them. They're pretty cool. The end of Bishop Road. In front of me is Cane Springs Road. If I go east, I will hit Elgin in Meadow Valley. If I turn west, I'll hit 93. Zack doesn't like cows. Alright, we're at the Elgin, Nevada schoolhouse. Got a rock in my brakes or something, so I'll check that out, see if I can find something. It looks like I lost the clevis pin for my sway bar, the disconnects. So one of my sway bars disconnected all the time, which is not good. So I'm not going to do the cane thing. I'm going to take the paved road up to Caliente, see if I can get something that will get that sway bar back. Note to self, bring an extra clevis pin. Going up to Caliente, calling the off-road to a halt. Hopefully I can find something up there, hardware store or something up there. I can get something that will allow me to get back on the highway. This is a really nice looking canyon. This is Kershaw-Ryan State Park area. There's the deal. I'm on the highway now, heading back toward Vegas. Got my sway bar connected. The bolt. It'll last till I get back, no problem. So that's a bit about it. It's been an adventure, man.